What if the secret to stronger, healthier plants wasn't in a bottle from the store, but in a golden spice sitting quietly in your kitchen? It might surprise you. Turmeric, yes, the same one used in cooking, can be a powerful natural fertilizer. Packed with anti-fungal and antibacterial properties, it not only nourishes plants, but also helps protect them from disease. Here's how to use it. Start by mixing 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric with 2 cups of lukewarm water. Stir it well until the turmeric is fully dissolved. Let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes, giving the nutrients time to infuse. Next, pour it into a spray bottle. Shake well before each use. Spray the mixture directly onto the soil around your plants, and if needed, lightly mist the leaves, especially if they show signs of fungal issues. Apply once every 7 to 10 days. Over time, you'll notice improved plant health, stronger roots, and a natural resistance to common pests and rot. This isn't just a home remedy. It's an affordable, eco-friendly way to keep your garden thriving. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from. And if this tip helped you, leave a like and share it with your fellow gardeners. See you next time.